So our financial services business continues to be our fastest growing segment. It grew 38% on a year-over-year basis. And what you're seeing is a couple of things here. One is our banks business, which is more nascent. We have over $1 billion of deposits in both banks that we have in Singapore as well as in Malaysia. That's triple, actually, if you look at a year-over-year basis. But at the same time, also coupled with our non-bank business, what you're seeing is our loan book also growing. And that's up 80% on a year-over-year basis. We actually dispersed close to about $500 million last quarter. So on an annualized basis, we're dispersing about over $2 billion now in terms of loans to our merchants, customers, as well as to our drivers, to our ecosystem effectively. So you're seeing good traction across our business today. It's still very early, I would say also. What we are committed is to make sure that our banks will break even by second half 2026. Our non-bank business continues to be strong in profitability, and we're going to continue to make sure that we have product adoption and also serving our customer base and driving scale and also efficiency in our financial services business.
And Peter, one concern actually in the region of Southeast Asia where Grab operates mostly is the strength of consumer confidence. And there are a handful of countries that have actually raised concerns that consumer confidence is a bit shaky, especially given that global macro uncertainty that we're seeing. Because Grab is in so many of these countries and actually very much in touch with a lot of these consumers, what is your take on consumer confidence and where the temperature is right now across the various markets in Southeast Asia that you're operating in?
Sure, JP. We are seeing very strong demand, actually, across the 700 cities and the 8 countries that we're operating in Southeast Asia. If you look at our growth on our mobility business, it was up 24% on a year-over-year basis. The number of transactions overall on our on-demand platform was up 22% on a year-over-year basis. And as we looked at just the month of October alone, we're seeing good momentum in our business also overall. So we're not seeing any slowdown when it comes to the region itself. Tourists continues to increase. Also, the traffic of tourism coming inbound to Southeast Asia continues to be strong, which we're a big beneficiary of that. But at the same time, also from a longer term, if you look at a third-party report that was put out last week, also they're seeing good momentum of growth for the next 5 years across Southeast Asia in the digital economy. They cited double-digit CAGR growth, and we believe that actually that will come into fruition because Southeast Asia is still a very underpenetrated market for Grab.